We love using a biodome. It especially for anything that's finicky or hard to start, we're gonna be using a biodome because it just makes it so much easier. We also use the Bootstrap Farmer trays, so that's the picture that's over on the left here. This is the setup that we have in our garage, where I just have some simple 2 by 4 shelves with shop lights hung on these adjustable hangers. Do we have a QR code for those adjustable hangers in case people want to check those out? It really helps out because it makes it to where we can adjust the lights to go higher or lower. And we'll talk more about lights here in a minute, but just want to call that out while I see it on the picture. These trays that we use from Bootstrap Farmer are awesome because they last a very long time. I am really rough on equipment. Like, I leave stuff outside. We just have a really busy life. There is it's inevitably, I'm going to forget to clean something up the way I'm supposed to. I'm not good at that. And all of the other seed starting equipment that we used before, we pretty much counted on it being a one season use, and then it was over. And oftentimes it was like literally one planting and it was done because the cells started falling apart or the trays got a crack in them and started leaking water, or as you're like carrying trays across the for us, which is a farm now, the tray would flex and water would spill out all the front and go all down your shirt. Now you got this dirty like water all over you, and you're supposed to be on a live stream in 20 minutes, so you got to like get ready. So anyway, that was kind of our life before we switched to these bootstrap trays, and these trays are awesome because they are extremely durable. Like, we've got videos like testing them with all of our different, like having our farm animals like stand on them and things like that. And or that was with the biodome. The
That was with
biodome's a
startup,
similar
but
thing
we've done it
too.
with Bootstrap
Yeah.
before too. We actually have a picture of one of our chihuahuas inside of one and just holding him up with it, and he was just hanging out in it.
So we love all of the Bootstrap products, and we carry them in our store. You know, we really wanted to be able to have them in our store, so we're thankful to have them, and we highly recommend them because they're going to last a very long time. Like I said, I am so hard on my equipment, and these trays just put up with it all.